Okay, guys, so today I am super excited to show you PartyWoo. It kind of sounds like my type of party, you know what I mean? So they are basically a party in a box. And they come with everything you need to have an awesome party, from decor, balloons. I've seen them before all over the place, and you know me, I love my unicorns. And I have some of the stuff displayed here, but we're gonna unbox this bad boy together. Oh yeah, PartyWoo. Look how cute the box it even comes in is so cute. Look at that. And they're super affordable too. That's the thing too. You don't want to spend an arm and a leg on decorations, because once the party's over, you end up either, I guess you could save them, but you end up throwing them out. So let's go through it. So as you can see, I had to have my attire on come correct. It does come with these, FYI. Let's see. Right out the jump, we got a little box. Okay. And it shows you exactly what everything is. You get a backdrop. They show you how to install the backdrop. Okay. Ooh. You could also, they show you how you can enhance the look too. I like that. Different scenes, dining room, outdoor, backyard, restaurant. This could literally work for anything. Okay, so we have balloons. It comes with streamer, happy birthday sign. When I say streamer, like a thing of unicorns that goes across. I'll open them up so you can see them all. Cupcake toppers. Cake toppers, you got plates, cups, straws, spoons, you name it. This is, like I said, literally a party in a butt. Okay, so right here, I already opened one. So this is the banner. And I'm gonna have to stand up so you guys can see this. Oh yeah. How cute. And it says happy birthday at the bottom. Can you guys see that? Like, hey, hey. How adorable. I wanna like, look at this. I'm just gonna walk around like this on my birthday with this around. But this is a backdrop, guys. So how cute. Let me move the microphone for a sec. And again, look at the bottom. It's so cute, but look at the unicorns. Oh my god. Isn't that adorable? So that's the backdrop, okay? That's this right here. And they also come with the, what's it called? Let me bring the mic. Let's bring the mic back. Whatchamacallit? It has a tablecloth as well. So the great thing about that is I can't really, that's hard to show you, but it's right here. This is it, right? I could open this and kind of hold up a piece of it so you can see without it going everywhere. Hey. Me and boxes don't get along. Anytime I do an unboxing, something is always difficult for me to open. Wah. So as you can see, this is a tablecloth. It has the unicorn print on it, hearts. Hold on, open up so you can see the face at least. Look at it! How cute is that? That's adorable. That is adorable. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Nitty-gritty! If I could speak today. How cute. Hold on. I'm obsessed. Look at these napkins, guys. This is so cute. Okay. And what I love, too, is it comes with everything to do on the balloons if you want to do like a type of a balloon arch type scenario. And then you have the banner. Let's see. I know it has a unicorn ones and it says happy birthday. Let's do ASMR. Always wanted to do ASMR. I'm trying to make this the least messiest as possible. These, you have to string them. They don't come strung already, so it comes with a little string and like a fake plastic needle. It has unicorns. So you could kind of design, and let me bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see. There you go. Can you see it's a little bright there? Here, if I cover the light, you can see it better. I got lights going, guys. That's why. Here we go. You might be able to see it better. Ooh. And these are the letters to spell out happy birthday. So you could kind of make the banners however you want. And if you want bows, you don't want bows, you want the unicorns on them. Like, look at that. How cute. So I like the fact that they allow you to be customizable. It doesn't like come strung already where it's like, you're stuck with this. All right, guys. So next up, let's look at the cake topper. Cake topper, yeah. And guys, don't forget to click and like and subscribe. I really appreciate every single one of you. Again, we're opening up PartyWoo. How cute is this? This goes on a cake just like this. And you ever seen those unicorn cakes that like has a unicorn face in the front? This goes right on top of the cake. Then you could like kind of decorate it however you want. How cute is this? I'm obsessed. Where was this when drawing? My bridal shower was unicorn themed. So don't hate on the unicorn. Yeah. Here we go. Now. We got balloons. I am not sitting here and blowing up every single balloon. I love you guys. It ain't happening. But you can see all the different rainbow colors that it comes with. I love it. I love these, like, it's rainbow, but it's like a pastel rainbow, and I love that. Woo. And of course, it comes with forks and spoons, right? Forks and spoons. I don't see knives, just forks and spoons. Guys, this is literally everything you need to just open up the box and have a party. So look at that. Look at the cups. Oh, cute. I want to get a little closer to the camera so you can see. Cover my face. There you go. I know the light's a little bright. I apologize, guys. But that's okay. You got this. You see it. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hopefully I counted right. 16 cups. But also, guys, which I am lovely wearing on my head. How do I look? I will wear this even if it's not my birthday, okay? I might even wear this for Pride next year. But look, even the plate, I can't even, like, it makes this so simple, especially for a kid's party. You got cake plates, you got food plates. It even has, oh my god, it even has straws. Like, please. Now, what I thought was really, really cute is the cake, cupcake, like, holders. So, you have the little sticks that go into the top of the cupcakes to make them look super cute. And then you also have the wraps that go around your cupcake to look really cute as well. I'll open this up as well. Let's close the box. There you go. Put them right here. I think this is so adorable. Don't fall. So these little bad boys. Let's hold them up to the camera. Come on, focus. There we go. How cute. These go right into the cake. I mean, cupcakes. I keep saying cake. Cupcakes. Oh my god. We got this, though. And look. They go like this. And they go around your cupcakes. How? Oh. I love it. And look here. These go into, they stick right into the cupcakes. So this is like what your cupcake would essentially look like. I think it's so cute. Guys, you get everything here. Again, this is a really, really great thing. It gets delivered right to your doorstep. Okay, yeah, 16 plates. Oh, I counted right. Look at me. I always count wrong. You get the cutout banners, the happy birthday banners, the backdrop cake toppers. I'll make sure I didn't miss anything. Cupcake wrappers, the plates, plastic utensils, the cups, napkins, pink straws, table cover, and pastel balloons with the unicorn headband, guys. If you really want to have a party and not have to think twice, run to the store, have this delivered right to your house. I think this is worth every single penny. As a mom, personally, the best thing you can do is make your life convenient. I will pay astronomical amounts for convenience and simplicity. So if I can get something delivered to my doorstep and it's not me getting in the car, not me having to get a babysitter for my daughter or have to drag my daughter to the store. Literally, the quality is amazing. It comes right to your doorstep, guys. I would definitely buy this in a heartbeat. And I think you should too. Guys, go check out PartyWoo. I'll put all their social oh my god, if I could speak today. My coffee didn't kick in, guys. All their social platforms down below, and don't forget to click and like and subscribe. If you guys like what you see here, I do a bunch of products reviews and a lot of vlogging, so make sure to click that follow button. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.